Now, complex developmental and dissociative trauma, and I'm just building on what was previous and what I mentioned previously, is usually associated with chronic, pervasive, cumulative trauma in childhood, often on a foundation of attachment or relational trauma. And what we've come to know, and perpetrators have taught us this, is when they're looking for a child victim, they look for a child who's lonely, who seems unkempt and uncared for and unresponded to, a child who looks sad, a child who has no friends, and that's the child that they will target. So this is where the vulnerability comes in. And also, betrayal trauma theory has taught us that betrayal trauma results in what Freud calls betrayal blindness, that individuals who have been hurt may be blind to those who would hurt them in the next scenario because they have learned to interact in an abusive context and don't know anything else.